Lion's Welding has various processes to provide many options for the replacement of worn surfaces and applying hard surface coatings. These applications including MIG, also automated TIG and PTA using state-of-the-art CNC machines. Services including brazing, powder weld, composite rod, cord wire and spray and fuse applications. This facility is further equipped with the latest multi-axis grinding machines to finish the products and an integrated environmental control system ensuring the health and safety of our employees. Lion is equally prepared to undertake these welding operations on new small batch or serial production runs and on the refurbishment of drilling equipment.